Hello, my name is Vinay Gupta and I would be helping you to access your newly purchased self-paced course or a web-based training course. When you purchase the course, you would have received an email like shown on the screen, which would give you a unique code which is for your course only. And that code can be applied only once per person. It could be possible that the code was generated for a company where there are multiple people. That code can be applied that many times. So if your company purchased, let us say 5 courses, this code can be applied 5 times. But normally for a single person, this code would be a single use code. And the code would be given in the middle of the email where you see it, it's a long code. But before you can use this code, you would need to go to IBM site, which is onlinedigitallearning.com. So that is the site where you would be able to use this code. Once you go to onlinedigitallearning.com, IBM will present you with a login screen because you need to have an IBM ID in order to be able to access your course. If you already have an IBM ID, you can log in with that IBM ID and attach the code. But in case you are purchasing the course for the first time, you would need to create an IBM ID. So for creating the IBM ID, click on Create an IBM ID link. Here you will provide the email address which you want to use to access your code. So we provide the email address, first name, and you would be needed to create a password. There is minimum requirement for the password, 8 characters minimum, 1 uppercase character, 1 lowercase character, and at least 1 number. Then click on continue. Here you can provide your privacy accesses if you want. You can click on proceed after you have made sure that all the privacy settings are to your liking. Once your IBM ID is created, you should get an email on your email address which you gave, and that will be a 2-factor authentication. You will provide that 7-digit code which you receive in your email. Click on verify. So in this privacy policy, and you need to type I agree in all capitals. After that, you're logged in to IBM site onlinedigitallearning.com, and there you will apply your course code. If you already have your IBM ID, you will log in with that IBM ID. So whether you created your IBM ID or you logged in with your existing IBM ID, you would come to the page where you will see your enrollments. And right now we see that there are no current enrollments. So we will click on apply access code, and then we will be able to apply the access code which we received in the email. Once you have logged into the IBM ID, if you have got any prior courses which you did previously or are currently doing, those courses would be showing up on your home screen. So I see there is one course which I signed up earlier. But if I sign up new courses, we don't need to create a new IBM ID. We can keep using the previously created IBM ID and then can apply the new access code there. Click once again on apply access code and then paste the access code for the new course. And I again get a message that I've got 30 days to complete the course. Once that code is applied, the course will be added to the list of my courses. So now I see I've got a second course which is 6025G. That is a web-based learning course, not a self-paced course. The previous course which I had was a self-paced course which works a little bit differently. If you're interested in looking at the self-paced courses, look at the video which explains about the self-paced courses. If I click on the newly added course, I would enter the course. And there, if I click on launch, my WBT would launch and I would need to click on enter to go to the web-based training course. Remember, this kind of courses do not have any virtual labs available with them. Once you click on launch, the course would launch, and this course would be mostly pre-recorded videos. It does have a survey, a navigation of the course, which will be going to the next slides, course map, table of contents. If you click on continue, that will take you to the course where you got various topics, and each topic you will see that's not started as yet. And once I click on a topic, that topic would be started for me. And there is the number of pages for each of them. Each course has got its unique navigation, its unique table of contents. But here in this course, if you click on any one topic, that topic would be started for you. It'll be mostly reading, and there might be videos which are pre-recorded for you, and you will see a back and next arrows. So if I click on next, after reading, I do see the screen where various parts have been explained. And if you hover your cursor over any of the parts which is highlighted, you will see explanation about those. So WBTs, each course is unique, of course, but once you hover the cursor, you will be able to see the explanation of various parts. When I click next, here various parts are highlighted. There is a explanation on the top. So it's basically reading and some pre-recorded videos. So here is an answer also. You want to add an image to your report. Which area of side panels would you access? So you would need to access a particular, and then click submit. That will tell you if you are right. Similarly, create or generate a report. Again, the first page explains you. Here, when I hover my cursor over the highlighted portions, I can read the explanation about those. Performing the following, there is a checkpoint question. Dash reports are useful for graphically showing comparison relationships and trends. And once you click and fill in the blanks, you will need to type in. So here it expects a chart. So if you give a wrong answer, it will tell you the right answer also. So here is a video which is recorded to see how the activities would be done. So if you click on the play button, there would be a recorded video which will show you how the steps are done. You don't actually do them. So once you click on the green box which comes in, there would be a pre-recorded video which will tell you how to log in. And then when you click on the second step, it will tell you how to add data. So that way the WBT courses have got mostly reading, images, and pre-recorded videos. It does not have live labs to do the course in. So that is the way most of the WBT courses are arranged. So various recorded videos are there. Wherever you see a play button, you can play that. And that is how you will keep completing the various topics in the course. Once you click on the menu icon on the top, you will see various objectives and summary of the course. So you can go through the complete course. So here we see that unit number 1 is in progress, 2 has not been started, 3 has not been started, 4 and 5. Once you complete, then you will be able to go to the summary and you will be able to get your course completion certificate also. And here you've got digital survey also. At the end, you can click on answer the questions and you will provide the feedback. Primary reason why you gave the upper answer, you will type whatever reason is there. Rate the content. And provide any comments. Then country of residence, you need to give that also. When you submit the questionnaire, then you will need to click on course completion certificate on the left side, and that would give you the course completion certificate. Once you click on get your certificate, you would see your course completion certificate. and you will see there are credit hours, as many are there for this web-based training course. One key thing to remember is the web-based training courses do not come with live labs.